Good news, Azure users! What if your manual test runs could capture exactly what happened, step by step? Microsoft just rolled out one of the most requested updates, Actual Result for Manual Testing in Azure Test Plans, Public Preview. Here's what you need to know. Why it matters. Manual testing is essential, but often lacks detailed visibility. The new Actual Result field lets you record precise outcomes per test step, improving traceability, audit readiness, and team collaboration. Key capabilities. Capture step-level actual results with flexible configuration at the test plan level, while improving audit support and making test runs easier to review and automate. Getting started. Enable it in your test plan settings. Requires Azure Test Plans license. Select your preferred mode and start a manual test run. You'll be able to capture and review actual results directly in the Test Run Hub. Stay tuned for more Azure updates.